I started to watch videos from Java for testers. Maybe that's the series they're watching, and already reached 22 and 23, and now get that there is videos about Selenium WebDriver ahead of the Java videos. Please, can you say how to continue? Continue the Java videos and after go to Selenium, or what? Or leave the Java and go to Selenium videos. I'm not sure which particular course that you're doing. It I would say it depends on your level. If this is like you've never done any programming, any Java, I would say and not being that I'm not exactly sure like the course that you're taking how it's structured, because sometimes they might start teaching you Selenium and incorporate like Java in that. But I would suggest, if you have absolutely no coding experience, no Java experience, that you would go to skip to the Java videos, right? Learn about the fundamentals of object oriented programming, learn the fundamentals of Java, the syntax and everything like that. Have them like do the basic hello world, like the first code that you do for any language is like hello world, right? I would say do the hello world, and then once you do the hello world, then you try doing it with a passing a parameter into it, where you'd say hello, my name is, and then you pass a parameter of your name, right? Do something basic and go through Java, like learn about all the different types and what a class is, and like the different like strings, integers, all that type of good stuff, right? Because you're gonna need it for your like as you learn Selenium. Um, the Selenium is going to Selen- Selenium is quite easy to understand because you're just you're just telling you're just telling you're using Selenium to say what you would do as a user. So you say, go to the home page and then click on this button and then click on this, enter this username, enter this password, and then click sign in. And then you go through this whole flow, right? That part isn't that difficult to understand. I think probably the hardest part with Selenium is understanding the selectors. Now, the part about Selenium, ooh, we forgot the timer and we are hiding from Stone Cold. Okay, so here we go. Timer's on. So the part about Selenium, it's pretty easy to understand, right? It's a go here, click here, click here, click here, all of that. Now, the part where the programming language becomes important is because the more you understand a programming language, the more you're able to structure your code and write good and professional code that's reusable. So, for instance, learning Java, you're going to need to get familiar, and this is for any language you're learning, right? But if you're going to be using it for automation testing or anything in particular, or in general, you need to like understand how methods work, right? How to pass parameters to methods, how to call how to call a method from another class, right? Um, like as it gets a little like with Java, there's so many layers of it. You know, there's like abstractions and interfaces and all that type of stuff. I would say for the more you know it, the better that your um capabilities to automate will be. But though, like there, it comes to a level where you don't need to know it to that extent to be able to write very good, very clean automation code. But you do need to know like the fundamentals, and that's why I would say you would definitely want to go to like if you have absolutely no experience with programming in an object oriented programming language. So if you don't know Python, you don't know C sharp, you don't know Java, then I'll definitely recommend you go to the Java section first, and you go through those courses, those tutorials, so you can have a better understanding of the code that you're going to be writing in Selenium, because you can just follow along and like then you become the robot. And then now when you're presented with a challenge in a job, and you don't know how to find it, how to research it, and everything like that. So I would say go to the Java section. Anything that you don't understand, you search for it, you Google it, you come into this live chat and you ask me a question or you leave me a comment on the video, and then you can we can interact and I can help you answer your question. You can send me an email, whatever it is, but you get the help that you need to you get the help that you need to help you advance, but definitely go to the Java section first. Once you get through that and you're able to write like some basic Java code on your own, then you go to that Selenium section, and then now you incorporate what you learned in Java with what you learned in the Selenium section. All right. So take that and apply it, and we shall see how that goes. All right. So awesome.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.